Hi there guys, this is Tracy here and welcome back to Toy Broadway. So we've had an exciting find in our loft. This is the funny capsule machine with sounds and flashing lights. It must have been up there for about 15 years or maybe more. So the box is a bit battered, but the toy still works. So let's take it out and let's have a close look. So I don't really know why it never got used, but all of the toys are still in all of the balls. So that's rather cool. And in the bottom we have, it looks like a tray here. And I've even got the coins to be used. Cool. So let's take everything out of its packaging. Wow, this looks amazing. And this is the base unit. That's cool. So it just fits on the top like so. So next I've just got to fill up our machine with our fun capsules here, and they just fit in the top. Okay, let's put a coin in. Turn the handle. Oh wow! And I wonder what we've got inside. Let's take a look. Oh, it's a cute little girl with a handbag and she's on a little key ring. Let's try another one. Let's pop the coin inside. Turn the handle. We've got a winner! And let's see what's inside this one. Oh wow! It's a fire engine! Very cool! Let's try one more coin. Looks like it's another vehicle. And let's open up this one. It's a car. I really like the toys that I've won. Also, you can fill the bubbles up with any toys that you like. So be sure to like this video. Also, be sure to ask your favourite adult to subscribe to Toy Broadway so you don't miss out on any of the fun. Shortly, 4 boxes will appear. Touch on any of those boxes to continue watching.